Imagine you're recording something and you've left the fan on, so you're recording all that background noise. What can you do about it? In this case, I'm in a room with a lot of reverb and the AC turned on. But just like that, using Accusonus Era 4, I can get rid of the reverb and the noise. Super easy, and that's what I want to review and give away today. I'll let you know what you have to do at the end of the video to enter the giveaway. When you're editing videos like I do, it's all about having a smooth workflow. You want to produce good content, but you also want to make sure that you put out as much content as you can. And to find that sweet spot, it's all about improving your workflow, and that's where I want to talk about Accusonus Era 4. It's a real nifty plugin that allows you to easily add in all kinds of effects onto your audio. It can be used in Premiere Pro, GarageBand, Audacity, and a bunch of other programs, as well as to fix certain issues or to improve the quality of your recording. While there are alternatives, I've always found that they're a bit unreliable and you have to constantly tinker on settings, and it's always a sidestep that slows down your process. Accusonus is just one simple slider that allows us to do all the magic for you. So let's have a look at how it works and what it can do for you. And let's say you have audio that's way too loud and you can't do anything but clip it so it doesn't ruin anyone's ears. And you can't do anything but clip it so it doesn't ruin anyone's ears. Well, then you can just slide the clipper function onto it and it removes the clipped audio. Next, we'll take a look at the noise reduction. So I'll open the window of my apartment and you'll hear a lot of noise come in. Hold on. There. So you can hear all the noise from outside. But when I put on the noise reduction feature, you'll see that it's much better already. Finally, what I also like to use a lot is the reduced reverb. It'll make it feel like you're sitting much closer to the microphone. And even though I've got the microphone right up my shirt, if I use the microphone from my GH5, the built-in one, to show you how much you can actually improve the audio with Accusonus, you'll see that there's still a significant difference. It's really just sliding it onto your audio and choosing the right level. Would I recommend the Accusonus Era 4 toolset? Definitely. I've been using it ever since I started with their trial version, and now I'm happy to say that I can give away 2 product keys for the Accusonus Era 4 bundle. So here's what you have to do to enter the giveaway. First, I'd love to know what you're working on right now. It's inspiring, so let me know in the comments. Second, subscribe to our YouTube and follow us on Instagram. That will automatically enter you in the giveaway that runs until the end of October. I'll announce the winner in the comments and DM them on YouTube or Instagram. I also have an affiliate link so you can support the channels should you decide to buy a bundle, and it won't cost you anything extra, but it will help me out a lot. As always, see you soon and see you later.